In this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the rear windscreen wiper motor for an Audi A3 8P. That's years 2004 to 2012. The tools you'll need for the job: a ratchet with a 13mm and a 10mm socket, some trim removal tools, a T25 Torx screwdriver and a small flat screwdriver. First step is to open the boot and undo the two T25 Torx screws that you can see on the inside. Using your trim removal tool, get it in the gap between the plastic cover and the boot lid. Start in the corner, pry it down, and the clips just pop in. They are quite stiff. Sometimes it feels like you're going to break it, but you just have to go for it. And that's it removed. As you can see, they're the clips, they're the positions of the clips. There's 4 on each side. First you've got to remove the wiper arm, so there's a bolt holding it on. Pop the cover up, that just pulls off towards you. And using a small screwdriver, pop the little nozzle off of the washer jet, just pry it gently from the centre and that'll come off. Then using your 13mm socket, undo the bolt in the middle. Once the bolt's removed, pull the wiper up. They can be a bit of a pain to get off. Just got to keep wiggling it back and forth. And then it will come off. Now go to the back of the wiper motor, and this is the tube for the rear washer jet. That does just pull off, just wiggle it and that'll come out. And then undo the plug. Again, that one, just give it a wiggle and it'll come towards you. And holding the wiper motor to the boot panel, there's 3 10mm bolts. Undo those. When you're undoing the last one, just support the motor with your hand. And move the wires out of the way and just pull the wiper motor towards you. And that's it removed from the vehicle.